Hi everyone, welcome back to another Live and Learn Italian experience with me, Raffaella, your Italian tutor and founder of Languages Alive. So today we're going to talk about some weather expressions in Italian. Ok, so oggi ci sono 14 gradi. Per me fa freddo, which is the opposite of avere caldo. So we say ho freddo, ho caldo. In this case, ho freddo. And we see, oggi c'è il sole. Well, at least a little bit. We're in the UK anyway, so this is a lot for London and the UK. And as you can see from my hair, just going everywhere, oggi tira vento. Oggi tira vento, ossia it's windy. So, tira vento e c'è il sole. Quindi, oggi c'è il sole e tira vento e per me fa freddo o freddino. Quindi non è nuvoloso e non piove. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and the only Italian channel where you can learn Italian into context. With me, Raffaella, your Italian tutor. Like this video and subscribe. Ciao, grazie mille.